In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Facebook ads with a new Facebook ad account. Let's dive in and make sure you understand each step clearly and thoroughly. To begin the process, your first task is to log into the Facebook Business Manager. This is your central hub for managing your ads, and having a separate Business Manager account helps keep your ad activities organized and distinct from your personal Facebook interactions. Once you're logged in, navigate to the business settings. You'll find this section by looking for the Accounts tab, then clicking on Ad Accounts. This is where you'll manage all the ad accounts associated with your business. The next step is to click Add and select Create a new ad account. This is essential for setting up a brand new advertising space specific to your business requirements. Now, you'll need to provide some ensure all this information aligns with your business operations because it can impact your billing and campaign scheduling. The next key action is to assign people or partners who can manage the account. Depending on the size of your team or your business partnerships, you might want to give access to certain individuals who can assist in managing and monitoring the ad account performance. Carefully choose the right people, as they will have control over your ad campaigns. Once you've completed these steps, remember to save and exit the settings. This saves all your progress and ensures that the setup is in place for you to execute your advertising strategies. Moving on, direct yourself to the Facebook Ads Manager. This is the tool where you'll be creating and managing your ad campaigns. Once there, hit Create to start your first campaign. It's here that the creative process truly begins. Consider your campaign objective carefully, as this guides what you want to achieve with this ad campaign. It could be anything from brand awareness to lead generation. After deciding on the objective, you'll set the audience. Knowing your target demographic is critical for the success of your campaigns, so take the time to define it accurately. Along with that, you need to decide your budget and placements. Budgeting dictates how much you're willing to spend, while placements determine where your ads will appear. Lastly, focus on your ad creative, the images, videos, or text that will capture the attention of your audience. These elements are fundamental for an engaging advertisement. Finally, it's time to review and publish your ad. Double-checking everything ensures there are no errors. Once satisfied, go ahead and publish your campaign. And there you have it. You're now ready to start running effective ads with your new Facebook ad account.